Thirukkural Weekly Series Division 1, Aram Chapter 4 The Power of Righteousness. Hello, and welcome to the Thirukkural series. This video will explore Chapter 4 of Thirukkural, titled The Power of Righteousness. This chapter is focused on the importance and power of leading a righteous life. It contains 70 couplets or chorals, each offering unique insights into the virtues of righteousness and the benefits it brings to individuals and society. Thirukkural, also known as the Kural, is a classic Tamil text written over 2000 years ago by the Tamil poet and philosopher Thiruvallur. It is a collection of 1330 couplets or chorals, each comprising 2 lines of poetry with 7 words in each line. The Thirukkural covers a wide range of topics, including ethics, politics, love, and spirituality, making it a timeless work of wisdom that continues to be relevant to this day. Chapter 4, The Power of Righteousness, focuses on living a life of righteousness, the foundation of a just and harmonious society. It emphasizes the benefits of leading a virtuous life, such as gaining the respect and trust of others, achieving success in one's endeavors, and living a happy and fulfilling life. Through the verses of this chapter, Thiruvallur inspires us to strive for righteousness and use its power to impact the world around us positively. So, let us delve into Chapter 4 of Thirukkural and discover the power of righteousness together.